Hey guys, I'm Steph and welcome back to my beauty stash. Today I'm going to be taking you through my morning skincare routine. I'm going to be showing you all of the products that I use to get myself ready for the day, and everything that I do show you guys, I will have it linked in the description box down below in case you are interested in checking any of those things out. Some of those links might be affiliate links, so if you do end up purchasing, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Now, just a quick background on me and my skin type. I am 39 years old and I have normal to oily skin. Oily primarily in my T-zone. My major concerns right now are my large visible pores and the fine lines under my eyes. I do have like some old acne scars, as you can see here, and yeah, those are right now my major concerns, just combating these lines right under here and the pores and texture that I have around this area, and of course keeping myself safe while I'm out there living my life, and that includes SPF. So if you want to see everything that I do to get ready for the day, keep on watching. All right, guys, the first thing that I'm going to do this morning is wash this face. I've already brushed my teeth, and the cleanser that I like to use in the morning is a new one for me. This is the Tatcha, the rice wash. I really like this one because I think it also helps to exfoliate the skin, or just get off all of the dead skin cells that have exfoliated themselves overnight. So I really have been enjoying this one. I think this is good for all skin types. If you happen to be more on the oily side of skin types, or maybe more acne prone, I've been enjoying this one from CeraVe. This is a renewing salicylic acid cleanser. These are all cleansers, guys, just heads up, that I just use in the morning. I do not really use these at night. I have the ones that I use at night in my shower. And I will most definitely do a nighttime skincare routine a little bit later, but these are all that I rely on for the morning only. So I cannot say if they're going to be good for removing makeup, because I don't use them for that purpose. So just wanted to throw that out there. Now, if you have more dry skin, this one from Josie, Maran, and you'll see I'm almost done with this one. This is the Argan Milk Cleansing Skin Niacinamide Cleanser. This is a nice, creamy, hydrating cleanser. This is just really great, especially if you're full on dry skin. This is a nice way to start off your morning. And again, this one is from Josie Maran. So let's wash this face. I'm going to go in with my Tatcha, the rice wash. So I'm going to get some warm water going here in my sink, which is kind of already warm since I just brushed my teeth. And I'm going to squeeze out about that much. And I'm just going to start working it on my skin. All right, I do this for about 30 seconds or so, and then I rinse off. Now I just pat dry my face, and there is still some moisture on my face, and you want that, because the next thing I'm going to go in with is an essence. And I'm going to use this one from Innisfree. This is the Firming Energy Essence with Fermented Soybean. Just kind of give it a good shake. But you want to go in with an essence when your face is damp, because it's really going to help to absorb the product better and really help to hydrate your skin. You'll notice I'm not using a cotton ball or cotton round. I'm just using my hands and fingers just to press this into the skin. No scent to this whatsoever. Now, still while my skin is a little bit damp, I'm going to go in with my hyaluronic acid. And I've been enjoying this one from Glow Recipe. This is the Plump Hyaluronic Serum. I just pumped out a little bit. That's about 2 pumps there. And I'm just going to start working that all over my skin. The hyaluronic acid is going to help lock in the moisture, draw it in, and lock it in. But it's not going to cause oiliness. So if you are a full-on oily skin person, do not worry about this causing excess oil. Our faces all need moisture regardless of what skin type we have. So just really pressing that in the skin. It's kind of feeling a little bit tacky as it sets down, and that's perfectly fine. Yeah, feels really, really good. I love Glow Recipe products. You'll probably see me use a few others in this video, but the next thing I'm going to go in with is a holy grail item for me, one I've been using for quite a while now, and that is my vitamin C serum. And this one is from Drunk Elephant. This is the C Firma Day Serum. This is a pricey product. I always pick it up during like Sephora sales, or if Drunk Elephant is having a sale on their website. And it's just a little twist up applicator that way. I really like the pump on this. And I do 2 pumps on the palm of my hand. And just start applying. Vitamin C is going to help with discoloration. It's also going to help with skin texture. And it's going to help to brighten the skin. You guys know I love to have a nice healthy glow, and this is one of the ways that I achieve that. It's also going to help with fine lines, just the whole aging process. Just like that. The next thing I'm going to go in with is my moisturizer, and I have a wide array of moisturizers. Some are heavier than others. Some are more gel-like than cream-like, but the one I chose for today is from e.l.f., and I actually ordered their new Holy Hydration Moisturizer with SPF, so I'm hoping that comes in next week. I actually picked up 3 different moisturizers from e.l.f. On their website yesterday, so I will definitely be sharing those with you, but I've really been enjoying this. e.l.f. does make, believe it or not, some really good skincare products. They have just the basic ingredients that you need to get the results that you're looking for without having to pay a hefty price tag. This Holy Hydration Cream, this is the smaller size. It came in a set. I do believe I've showed this to you already, so if I can find that video, I'll have it linked up above. But this is what it looks like in there. This is a really nice hydrating moisturizer, and the full size is $12. And this doesn't cause me to be excess oily. It just really helps to, of course, hydrate, moisturize, and just prep my skin for the day for makeup application. And I really like how it feels going on. There is a fragrance version, and then there is a fragrance-free version. I think this one is the fragrance version because I can smell just a little bit of something in there, but the ones that I ordered yesterday are going to be the fragrance free. So really nice. Like, that feels really nice and hydrating, really good on the skin, and it has been working really well with all of the other products that I pair with it. So the final step that I do in my daily morning skincare routine is SPF, and you guys know I've been enjoying this one so much from Beekman 1802. This is the Milk Primer with SPF 35. Give this a good shake, and it has that little ball in there to really make sure that you shake the product around, get it all mixed up. And I use 3 pumps of this, and I'll show you what 3 pumps looks like. It's definitely a milky texture, but it doesn't give a white cast. There's a slight little scent to this, but it's like a goat milk scent since all of the Beekman products are formulated with goat milk. That is the premise behind the brand. But this just feels so good. It's non-greasy. It's just hydrating, smooth, and you can very well use this as your makeup primer. I don't use it that way. I mean, I have, but I like to use, you know, a separate product for that since I have so many, so many that I need to try. But I definitely drag this down the neck. And you could totally just wear this on its own and not apply anything else. You know what I forgot to do? I just realized it right now, is my eye cream. I never forget eye cream, guys. Never forget it. But since I don't usually film my morning skincare routine, let me get an eye cream so we can do that right now. All right, so the eye cream I'm going to apply is this one from Biossance. I've really been enjoying this one. This one is called the Squalene Marine Algae Eye Cream, and it has a little bit of a peach coloring to it, which is also going to help with any discoloration. And I don't usually take my sunscreen like that high up under my eye area, so this is perfect. It's okay that I'm putting this last. And you just want to be really careful, like pat and then, you know, swipe when you need to, but be very gentle with your under eye area and bring it out over here too, because this is where the crow's feet starts, and like right under here. And I go on my eyelid as well. I mean, I just dab it all over, press it in, because our eyes are the first thing that shows the signs of aging, unfortunately. All right, that feels really good. My eyes feel really hydrated. Now, the last thing that I do is a little lip balm. And for that, this is my favorite. This is the Glow Recipe Lip Pop. This one is the blueberry one. And let me open it because I am almost done with it. I go through so many of these and I have like 2 more on backup. I just love them. You do see they have a nice little, a slight little color to it, a very slight color. But while it's hydrating, it's also helping to exfoliate. So that's why I really love these. I do believe you can find a set of 2 for like 20 some bucks at Sephora, and most definitely on the Glow Recipe website. But this is my morning skincare routine, guys. I am 39 years old. I have normal to oily skin, and these are the things that I do every morning. Now, since today is Sunday when I'm filming this video, I would have usually done maybe a mask in the morning, and the mask that I like to do in the morning is this one from Tatcha. This is the Violet C Radiance mask. I do this one in the morning because it really does help to brighten my skin for the rest of the day, and of course, my makeup is just gonna look a little bit better after I use this one. But just wanted to show this one because this one is something that I like to do on Sunday mornings. But since I wanted to make this an everyday morning skincare routine, these are the steps and these are the products that I use on an everyday basis for sure, Monday through Friday, while I'm getting ready to go to work. All right, guys, now it is time for me to hear from you. What did you guys think of my morning skincare routine? What are some of the items that you enjoy using in the morning that you think I need to try out? Or what are some of the products that I use that caught your attention that you're interested in purchasing? Sound off below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water, put your moisturizer and your sunscreen, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.